Wait, can we talk about this again? Now it's on camera. Not gonna get a plumber for what?
Bidets are the best. You owe it to yourself to get a bidet.
I second the motion. He comes over to my house and lift all the time, and he uses my bathroom, but he won't.
I was playing around with it when I put it in, and I was like, I don't understand how this works. And I like turn it on and like squirt fucking across the room.
I like when you squirt it too hard and you're not clenched up enough, and then you're like, oh, I gotta dribble the poo-poo water.
Yeah, that's an enema.
Damn.
Ready?
I'm following you guys because I don't know where the fuck to go here.
I'm charging it up.
I'm following you.
Okay.
Are we all going right?
Yep.
Why the fuck would you go left?
Exactly, it's wide open.
Oh, yeah, that's better. You're welcome.
Chuck,
What?
I'll cover
suppress left.
Fuck that. I'm not going left.
No, I said
Suppress.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game on, game on, game on.
oh. Window, 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 window. Cover door.
Oh, I was going through the same thing.
Grenade. Hey. Ready?
The window's closed. Times are tough.
Hey, I have a big brain idea. You're lefty, I'm righty. Switch sides. Oh, Subaru, Subaru, on Subaru.
I got a name. Far right window.
Got one.
Bam.
Oh, Jesus Christ, that was dirty.
Ruben. Hey, come here. Hold, prop this door. Okay, easy, 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 easy. Good. Got him. Nope, I didn't get him. Close, close.
This is good as fuck.
Hey, behind Elmore's car. Okay, hey, Ryan, one hard right. Jesus! Tunnel.
Hey, it's the guy with the M14 out there.
I have no idea where that is. Never been in here.
Low left, low left.
Low left. In the next room or in this room?
Next room.
In that next room in the tunnel, low left.
I'll nade it, I'll nade it. Can I nade it?
Stand by.
You got Ruben?
I got Ruben.
Yeah? Okay.
I got a nade, I got a nade. Toss it in.
No.
Guy with M14, you still out there? Okay, that's friendly.
Okay. Window, window, window again.
Move, 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 move.
Window again.
No, in the room.
Hey, come here. I want you to tilt this window for cover that hallway. No, I want you to cover the doorway. Go now.
Oh, shit. Clear out, clear out.
I got an idea.
Where is he? Car. Right. I got him.
Hey, left tree, backside building, 5 feet off corner.
It's not armory, right?
Negative. White tent. 5 feet in from the white tent, closest to the corner. 10 feet right, 10 feet right.
Contact at the window.
On your 6, big guy.
Yep.
Friendly coming in.
Who's this behind me?
It's Harbinger.
Okay. Moving up.
All right, on your 6.
One down. Hit! Hit! Yeah.
Friendly. Sorry, I was just backing off. Backing off real fast.
Under 6.
He's hiding behind the tree. He's got a line of sight.
Harbinger. Moquin. Moquin left. Woo! Shit. Dead space right, move right. Move. Outside. Pushing up, pushing up. Friendly up front. Clear, game. Game.